Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And today we are going to redo my bulletin board, and we're gonna decorate it with Christmas paper and all kinds of things. I'm gonna be using the Merry Days collection, Snow and Cocoa, Fa La La. So it's going to be a hodgepodge of a lot of crepe paper Christmas collections, and you're going to see the whole process. And this is how I decorated my bulletin board for October. I use the Serena Bees collection. If you want to see that video, I will link it in the description box below. And so what I am going to do is just remove the board off this wall and put it on my table so we can start the process. I will be right back. Hi, I am back and I am by my desk, and today it's episode number 4. You're gonna see how I am going to decorate my bulletin board with Christmas paper collections from Merry Days, Snow and Cocoa, and also from one paper pad that I got from Michael's Recollections called Holiday Bash. So welcome back again, and just to speed up the process, this is what I am going to put together. So I laid out everything so all the colors are kind of like spread around the whole bulletin board, and I am going to take a picture of that so I can put this back together. And you're wondering how I came up with this concept, how I balance the colors, and we are going to be explaining that while I put things together. And let's start. So I'm gonna remove these pom-poms. So I use a lot of a combination of paper collections and chipboard, ephemera, etc. So looking at these squares, I just love them. This is the Merry Days collection, ephemera, all of these, and the paper as well. So what I did was I trim it, but I still have to trim more. And the center, I want the center to be like the center stage of everything, and I put these paper from this collection, the Recollections Holiday Bash. And why I selected that paper, it's because it has the same hue, kind of like bluish, tealish, and even though it's the prints, they also go along because they're like quite modern, nothing rustic, nothing shabby. So and I wanted to combine all the colors together and spread them out. So let's go ahead and start assembling this board. So here what I'm going to do, I just had it like that just to not make it too plain and simple. I'm probably going to let's see, I just wanted to get more dimension and more dynamic on this. So I'm going to staple it with my mini attacher. Okay, so I am going to put, let's see if you guys can see that in here. Now I put this back here, and voila. There is, I hope it doesn't show much glare, but you see the first one looks cute, the center, and the third one. So I know this is just a lot of glare here, so I'm going to move the board a little bit, and now I'm going to take a look at the picture, and I am going to explain why I position all the ephemera chipboard the way I envision it. So first I started with these pom-poms, and these pom-poms I got them at Michael's by the holiday collection Christmas, and I cut them. So I'm putting one here and the other one here. Yeah, so it's kind of like a focal point a little bit more, so it draws the eye to the center of the board. And on this corner I had two tags. I had this tag from the Merry Days collection, another one, and this is a card from the snowflakes from the Snow and Cocoa. And what I did was I put this card because I wanted to get some of the color and make it more dimensional. And dogs are barking here, and let's see if I try to, no, I need more, oh, you know what, I can just put it like that and use one of the paper clips from the collection. Okay, here are the paper clips. So I'm going to use it. And I'm going to use the pinky one and clip it like that. So I can reuse this ephemera later, right? So we have that color, kind of like red, pink, a little bit of green, and beigey. So now my second focal point is going to be this. Merry Christmas. And in this one I didn't do any cluster because this one already have the 3 images, so I'm just putting this over here. Now my other focal point is here, and I want to do and bring this frame. This is the chipboard from Snow and Cocoa. You see how this color pickups these, the colors here. See, you can see it better without the glare. So that's the main reason that I am using this. Then again, continuing with these Merry Days tag collection, and this is a tag that I bought a couple of years ago at the Container Store. Isn't this cute? So I'm gonna put the tag here, that, and it's like that. Maybe I should do it. Just glue it. Just do glue like this, and I'm gonna put it like here, like this. Another square. And to do is use the Tombow Extreme adhesive and just do the little birdie like that. So just to make it a little bit of fun. Okay, so this is it. And now the other focal point is here. And for that one, I originally had laid out this lady with the roller skates. And guess what? I'm not liking that, so I'm changing my mind. I'm gonna put this chipboard, oh dear, over here. And this girl is probably gonna go over here in the center. And I am going to glue her like that. And probably this skates should not be there. I'm thinking I probably am gonna do the ho-ho stamp, sand stamp here. Sorry about the noise. Cars making lots of noise all the time here. And these 24, 25, and 26, I'm probably gonna put her over here. Yeah. And the skates, I just love the skates. Put it like that, like this. Yeah. So that's it. I think I need some red around here. No, probably cover it underneath here, like that. Yeah. Maybe I should use some of this wooden chipboard. Let's see. Let's see what we are gonna use. This is from the Snow and Cocoa collection. Snowflakes. I love that. But no, it won't look good. So let's do the roller skates here. Should probably put this one like that, this side, so it moves around, so it's not too predictable. Okay, so then I'm gonna put the snowflakes around here. Yeah, that looks cute. And dear Santa. And I am going to do another clip like that. Yeah, so this is a final product. So you guys are gonna see how it will display on that part of my craft room. I will be right back. Hi! So this is the final product. This is the bulletin board that I put together using the Merry Days and Snow and Cocoa crepe paper collection. And if you like this type of videos, I will leave the playlist of my Christmas series in the description box below. And if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.